Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep Microsoft Teams status available always. Now what I do, okay, I just come to the top right, so the sub profile icon, as you can see it shows me as available. You click on it, and right now it's set to available, so make sure you click on it, make sure it's set to available. Just go ahead and reset your status and choose available, okay? And the trick here is to set a status message. So you can do any message, so let's say available, okay, and then here it says clear status message after. Make sure this one is set to never. Once this is set to never, the status will not go, okay. So there we go. We go ahead and click here on done, and you'll remain like this, okay, showing available. You can also put in this emoji icon if you want to go a step further, but really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.